Hey guys, this is Live from Maniac. So, long time no see, I would suggest, but so what I want to do today is in order to open up this era of the Orichalcos arc is to make a commencement with an opening which fully fits into that very soundtrack that we hear in the background, namely a whole display opening of Dragons of Legend, the complete series. So what I want to do with this, I want to fill some gaps, make some refreshments from all the cards that we have in this era, and build new decks.